Hey, here comes a new thing that overlooks the Earth. With 4K HFR video, it makes aerial photography not a dream. Together with high-tech sensors, 4,000 watts ultra-clear camera, it makes every photo a highlight.
With vision-based obstacle avoidance, it's 360-degree intelligent laser obstacle avoidance.
It is easy to shoot aerial film with this machine. Being flexible and portable, novice can easily control it. Its intelligent focus track makes you become a flying expert in seconds. Keeping track of your pace, it can fly anywhere you want. With GPS precise positioning, one-click cruise, and safe return through intelligent technology. Now, have you known about it?